Hello everyone, welcome back to the Search Creator YouTube channel, your trusted partner for innovative tech solutions and study material. In this video, we're going to understand the how to activate the GCP Google Cloud Platform dashboard. Okay, first go to the in Google browser. In that Google browser, I will already open here. In search bar is there now. Click on this search bar. Here type the GCP. After that, in your keyboard enter. Here first link is there now. Click on the initiative and easy console. Click on this first link. It will open this UPI successfully. It will navigate the next page. Wait few seconds. Yes, I'm opening the Google Pay and scan this QR code. It is showing the 15,000 set auto pay. So it is not a chargeable amount. It is showing only set auto pay amount. Means if you use the any services, so we are cutting the deduct amount that. So that reason is showing the 15,000. Okay. So do not worry about that. Just set auto. Click on the set auto pay. In order to continue the video, please scan this QR code and register. After that, it is available full video in our website.